we'll take care of this. Yeah. I want to introduce our driver tonight, Bill Ryan, who is with CyRide, and he'll give you kind of an overview of CyRide here in Ames.
Hi, I'm Bill Ryan. I'm a CyRide employee and also a student here at Iowa State University. Get the volume there. I'm a senior majoring in computer engineering. The way it's looking right now, I have about 2 more years left, so I'll be down here for a while, like most of the engineers down here. But anyway, I guess I'm up here to talk a little bit about CyRide and tell what it has to offer for students. First of all, 75% of the CyRide drivers are students, so we can relate really well to the students' needs. CyRide is a transit company that's run by the City of Ames, Iowa State University, and the government of the student body. We offer 3 basic services. Fixed route service, which includes 6 different routes, which cover the city thoroughly. There's red, green, blue, orange, brown, and yellow route. They operate from about 6:30 in the morning until as late as midnight during the week. We also offer a dollar-ride service, which is a premium, a door-to-door service, basically for handicapped and elderly. But if a student is handicapped or had to break his leg down here and need that service, he can use it. And we offer a night ride service, which was founded by the government student body. I just guessing here 5 years ago. It was kind of designed to help get people home who have been out late, but it runs on the weekends from about 10:30 until 2 a.m. And I drove it last fall, and it's a lot of fun. It's a good thing to take advantage of because it is totally funded by the government student body, and it's free. And if you think of it, each student is paying $10.90 in tuition towards CyRide, so they might as well take advantage of it. It just costs $0.25 to ride the bus for a student. You just show your P card, and it's pretty reasonable for adults who are not students of Iowa State. It's 60 cents, so it's pretty reasonable to get around the city. And like if they're going to be living in the dorms, there's a bus that goes by each dorm about every 20 minutes. If you're out at Towers, there's a blue route service which goes by every 20 minutes. And it's a good thing to have a CyRide service because in the winter down there at Towers it gets pretty cold. That north wind blowing, it's quite a walk into campus. When I was a freshman coming into college here, I was whining the whole summer about to my parents that I needed to have a car down in college. I won the war, but I kind of lost it now that I think about it because I lived in Friley Hall, which we'll go past. Most of you probably know where it is, but I had to park my car behind a football stadium there. It's kind of inconvenient. You know, I want to go out to the mall or something. It'd take me 20 minutes to get to my car just to drive out to the mall. And here I could have been taking the bus for $0.25. And I really didn't know that there was that good of a bus service because we didn't have this tour, but there really is. Also, if you bring a car down here, there's a lot of vandalism. The students will pick up a daily every day and they'll look in the criminal report and see that some car has windshield broken, the stereo stolen. So it's kind of tough having a car down here. And if you do have to have it near where you are, there's always that chance of driving it into campus during classes and parking where you should and getting a ticket. The lowest ticket you can get right now is $10, and they can go up to $35 if your car's not registered. My freshman year, I had six tickets and about $60 of money that I could have had better use for. I used to leave little notes in my windshield, like my battery at the end. I'll be able to pick my car up this afternoon, but that only worked one time. After that, I think they took my license down or something, because each time I'd leave the same note up there too, so that probably didn't help. But just as the amount of just the note on the amount of tickets that were issued last year, there were over 66,000. And that's about $660,000. You'd think you'd see a parking ramp sprouting up over here somewhere, but it hasn't found a place here yet. But we have sample schedules of our services that we had last fall and spring that you can grab up here. And also, if the student feels that he or she will be riding the bus a lot, we offer a $40 semester pass, which is good for an unlimited amount of rides. When I moved off campus, I bought this. It was a really good service. I couldn't get my classes grouped into one segment, so I'd go in and out of campus about 3 times a day, and it really paid off. But if there's not any questions, then